build is made by Doge Builders. So let's get on with the build, and it is pet life story. So the family meets the dog. Yep. They take it home. Having dinner. Dog's having dinner. Oh, the dog got sick. Oh my god. 1 year later. These people are so talented. 2 years later. What happened to his parents? Did they die? Oh no, his parents are still there. Oh, he's sad because I remember. He's like, left me. Like, he left me to live somewhere. Oh my god. Bring the dog back? Jesus. 2 years later. You gotta at least have the dog there. Wait. What happened in the water? Is she dead? Did she die? Did the dog die? Wife is pregnant. Oh, he's so adorable. My puppy. These people must know people love puppies. What? Stop it. No. The dog is dead. Who wouldn't cry? Oh, if you don't like dogs, so you're allergic to dogs. I wouldn't cry, but I'm a sympathetic person that loves animals. Wait, I've got to see this. There's a ghost? Oh my god. Yeah, so if you get this, you get the option to buy these. No, but I just sneezed on recording. And here we go. Because why not? Because it's that time. Remember to join Doge Builders. I might actually join that. I actually am gonna join that. Anyway, that will cut it off for today, and I will see you next time. Oh, once I actually do have an outfit. Woo! Alright, yeah, I'll seriously cut this video off as well. But first, it's raining. Do you know how sad this scene is, just this scene in general? Like knowing that the dog's just died, and now it's a ghost. Dogiette, Dojette, Doziette, Dozina, Zella, Emily, Christina, Josh, David. Character names. I think I was only one of these I would think of, which is Emily. I think that's the only one that I really think of. Like, Joyce, I don't think I would have thought of. Wait, I was supposed to be like cutting this video off. Oh, this is a little silver one. Like this t-shirt. Yeah, so it's got little puppy. Oh my god. Wait, there's other people here? There we go, just to sign that off. The proof for people? I just record it, because I did. So, yay! Mental mad scientist.